Right now, I'm just going to work, and you guys, the fog this side crazy. Hey guys, I'm Benitha.K, and I'm gonna take you guys alongside with me, going to work in a fog, a serious fog this side. So take a look. Look at this now. You cannot even look above, and people here are started to work. Sure. I love that. Abantu bakunda akazi pe. If you look, people are starting to work, and it's nice. Oh yeah? I don't know if people see me easy, but you guys take a look. Like, it's crazy. But I'm loving this weather. Yeah, the inner weather. Like, what? Okay, now wabona huri kuki. For real, you cannot see where you are going. Reka mpagarare hehera mbereke. Like, look at this. Huh? You see that? Like, look the fog that side. Crazy. Me here, I'm going to work other than sleeping. See, this life, just have to not care about anything that could take you down, and rather stand up and then go, no matter what. Whether in fog, oh my goodness, my races have started now bothering me. What the hell? I cannot like close them. Yeah, like look at this. Crazy. So I'm just going to close the road because I can see that. Now look what I'm talking about. Yeah, let's go to work. And I probably love like this weather because this weather, it's not fresh. I feel like I'm fresh in my head when I see something unusual. By the way, I'm suffering from, I don't know what happened to my lower lip. Look at this fog right now. Maybe I'm just dreaming. What's this? Huh? I love this weather, by the way. I love this weather. Like, I have just passed this side just to show you guys the fog. Like, look this. Look at this. Crazy. Like, what? I love this fog. I do. Love this weather actually. Weather this side. Perfect. So nikumbona nshaka kugenda. Like, look at this. Look at that. It's crazy, like how, I'm just showing you guys, and then people here are watching that man. I hope they don't care, because man, these people look at you, ukagira isoni. Look what I'm talking about. All places is the fog. Like, what? Crazy. Look at that now. I want to take a thumbnail. Crazy. I love this weather, like, for real. I feel like I could just go in those bushes, in that forest, and then Like I stay there. I stay in there. Oh my goodness. I didn't go. So I don't know if I'm having the money on the phone. Let me check.
Fuck it, we ball.